All right, so here's what I do. So I'm going to OLS. Oh, no, wait, that's not what I want to do. Sorry, bad. High school. So it'll load classes. So this is what I have as the construction class. So when I click on that, what's opening is here. So there's nothing in here. So what you would have to do is go to content, and that's where you're going to see everything. So I don't know if you're getting to this point, all you have to do is press content. Once the content pops up, I'll show you what happens. So, but yeah, so there's all this stuff. There's like the boot camp, Cask of Amontillado, the science of branding. So all of that's there. So when you click on that, you'll see all of the content. But let me look really quick and make sure you guys are in there too. I would hope so. What are we? This one? Yeah. Yeah, it has you guys both in there, so I'm thinking you should see it. So let me know if that helps or not. Hopefully it does.